What is good, friends and neighbors? This is Plus Trading. Hope you're doing well. This is my weekly review. So, first of all, I want to say this week it's bullshit. Okay? In my opinion, yeah, for some people, it's like, bruv, it's like the paradise market condition. For some of you, maybe. But for me, and in my opinion, it's heavily manipulated. So you can see basically all this run we just boom start dropping. Like bro, there's basically no retrace, none of that. Just solid sell program. You know what? I actually had I had one on paper trading. I mean, I had this one, this inversion for value gap. My entry was here at the low, and my stop loss is at the high of this order block, and aiming at this low, the intraday low. That is what I was aiming for on this trade. It's played out well, and I have also all you need to explain this trade, but it's just simply not something that I would trade. I see it in the markets, I can call it, but it's just like I don't really trade it that often that I say, oh, you know what, I'm pretty confident to take this trade, and on a funded account, because I mentioned it many times. On a funded account, our goal is to make money, not to test shit out or just place a trade and see what happens. You can do that on paper trading, right? But not on a funded account. Your funded account is to make money. So let me explain it for y'all real quick. Yeah, so I saw this 1 hour CB. Boom. Oh, turn down to 5 minutes. So you can see on here we trace through that a little bit, but on the hourly time frame, the candle did indeed respect the fair value gap, the body of the candle. You see? So and I saw, okay, it's pretty, it's a pretty decent liquidity run, right? And it would be nice if you keep on dropping from here. And I was looking, okay, where can it be? I was looking for my typical model, but it did not deliver. But then I saw this. So let me delete this real quick so it's cleaner. So we have this inversion fair value gap, right? You see how the price trades up and print this BC at that point, and then comes down to 50% and trades up a little bit and taps into the order block, right? This order block, and then drops through it and comes again. What I want to say is that, first of all, obviously you can call this an order block and this a proportion block, or maybe I have no idea what's the name, but you get the idea. You can use this one, right? But what I want to say is that we, as the first one, yeah, at the first run, we only traded to the 50% level and have a little retrace and drop through it and reprice the other 50%. You see here, this, the first upper 50%, retrace a little bit and trade through it, retrace again, and reprice the other 50%. That is kind of interesting. Also one of the way how I engage inversion for value gap. But nevertheless, for my typical trading model, all this is heavily manipulated. There's no retrace and very solid sell program. So every up close candle is acting support. Like if you like, for some of you it's like your thing, but it's just not for me, right? And also it's kind of crazy that we have this fucking 400 handles. We have this 400 points run on the sell side and on the buy side, and the fact that both sides are heavily manipulated is kind of a sign that, you know, they're like clearing liquidity. I know that normally we have like a sudden move, a big drop with like it just makes no sense. Sell program, buy program, no retrace, just every different color candle is acting support and all that, right? But normally after that, it comes with another side of the market maker model curve, right? And you are able to trade another side of the market maker curve. But this time, it's both sides are heavily manipulated. They just starts moving, and in my opinion, I would say for a range like this, and both sides are heavily manipulated, I would say it's the algorithm doing its job, clearing liquidity. But obviously, this time, it's maybe not, let's say, retail traders liquidity. It might be some institutions liquidity, right? Like, bro, it's just crazy. 400 points, 400 plus points just in the day, up, down and up, boom, knock out all the liquidity. And you know, it's the last day of the month, the algorithm's doing its thing. And for now, I really don't have a bias on NQ. Let's say we ignore the Friday candle, yeah, and just look at the price like that. I would say it's kind of stuck in between, because as I said, if the price comes down, I would like to see the inversion fair value gap X support, right? And also this I want to see this two inversion fair value gap X support, and I wanted to see the price close above the high. So we have this monthly bullish order block. But however, now it's like we have this huge wick, and you can't really, have a clear opinion on that. And but at the same time, this drop did also indeed came from the 50% level of this wick, and I'm not really sure. I have no bias for now. Wait, let me check news for next week. Oh, we have an NFP, and yeah, we have NFP, and we have red news every day, so it's gonna be a interesting week. I'm holding my hand still for now, and it's an FP week next week, so I'm gonna trade. I'm either gonna not trade at all, or just trade without a bias, do some intraday scalps, and I will take a look after NFP, and after that, after NFP, the market should be much clearer than now. The fuck? What the fuck's this green candle on ES? Yeah. That sucks as well. Yeah. Forget it. No bias. And now let's look at the XY. It was so close to this monthly candles low, and we trade up, and looks like this. Let me just call it order block. The names just confuse me. Let's say this order block is still holding the price, at least for now, and you can see we did run up twice, but the body are both time respecting the volume imbalance. Yeah, it's just kind of like in between monthly. Yeah, I will definitely still use the low of the previous monthly candle as my drawn liquidity. Definitely. Yeah. Yeah. Or yeah, it would be nice if it trades to like discount again, and then keep on going higher to the highs here and here. Run out this one, maybe trade to the CE of the wick, something like that maybe. Yes. And let me check if we have any SMT with an EU. Boom. We do have some SMT here. Okay. 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 We do have SMT on the low. That's interesting. But maybe let me check another broker. Yeah, so we definitely take out this low. So we have SMT on the low. It don't mean anything yet, but I will definitely have that in my mind. I'm gonna here liquidity SMT EU. I will definitely have that in mind. Yes. And what YM doing? YM's on some weird shit, not gonna lie. Okay, YM. Nah. Yeah. So no clear takes. Hold my hand still, no bias. Yes. And hope y'all had a green week. Yes. And it's NFP week next week, so be careful, don't hurt yourself. And good luck and good trading, guys.